75 years. That's how much time you get if you're lucky. 75 years. 75 winters, 75 springtimes, 75 summers, and 75 autumns. When you look at it like that, it's not a lot of time, is it? Don't waste them. Get your head out of the rat race and forget about the superficial things that preoccupy your existence and get back to what's important now. Right now, this very second. And I'm not saying drop everything and let the world come to a grinding halt. I'm saying that you can become a seeker. You can be loving more. You can be taking some chances. You can be living more. You can be spending more time with your family. You can be getting in touch with the part of you that lives instead of fears, the part of you that loves instead of hates.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, I'm Jemima. Welcome to my channel. So guys, today is June 30th, 2025, and I'm getting ready to go to a birthday dinner. My sister's birthday was yesterday, but we're celebrating her birthday today. We did celebrate yesterday as well, but we're going out to dinner for her today. So I'm gonna be vlogging me like getting ready, us on our way there, taking pictures, and the dinner itself. So come along with me on this journey, y'all. I know my hair looks a bit crazy. This is merely because this is the before look. You know, I have twists in, and then when I take them out, then that's gonna be the final look. But okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready because I'm running short on time. So catch y'all when I'm getting ready.
I can tell the story of how I've overcome. Dark were the days I did.
This is the dress I'm wearing. It's very like Hawaiian, very beautiful. It's a sundress. It's super cute, super beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on, and then y'all will see me once I'm in the dress. Hey guys, I'm currently in the car. Right now we're heading to Jenkins Aboretum Gardens, and that is in 𝓥𝓽𝓻𝓼𝓮, PA. The dinner is also in 𝓥𝓽𝓻𝓼𝓮, PA. It's at Bahama Breeze. So we're heading to the gardens place first because we're gonna take like pictures of my sister and things like that, and then pics with her and like family. So that's gonna be really fun, exciting. The dress is so cute. The hair came out very, very nicely, and I'm excited. Everyone looks so beautiful. So yeah. We are now here. It's the Jenkins Aboretum Gardens. It is so beautiful, y'all. So now we're just taking her pictures. I'm gonna take some on my camera for her. So let's go. Looking for good spots.
I know, looking for good spots. I don't know who.
Ooh, it's like a trail. Like you can go on a trail. There's multiple like routes, y'all. Shooting in a different mode, so that's probably why the camera looks a little bit different, but yeah, we took some really cute pictures. My sister looks amazing. Yep. Yeah, look, check out the scenery, guys. Okay, I'm just loving my hair right now. I almost fell. I'm almost falling. So guys, we are heading to the ponds. Guys, take a look. Oh my goodness. So beautiful. Y'all, looks like they found a turtle. What is it? Oh my goodness! Look, guys! Oh my goodness! He's so cute! OMG, hey little guy.
Oh my goodness. Is it name?
Look at him. He looks healthy.
When you're out on your own, and the time moves slow. When you're missing a friend, and the time moves slow. When you get to the end, running away is easy. It's the leaving that's hard. Running away is easy.
Currently heading out. We are on our way to dinner now. So exciting. I can't wait to see what they have. I've already looked at the menu, but I think I'm gonna surprise myself with what I'm gonna get to eat. Yeah.
When you're out on your own, and the time moves slow. When you're missing a friend, and the time moves slow.
We're here. What will I get? I don't know. My little brother is side-eyeing me and judging me right now, but gotta get the footage. Okay, I don't want any of that. What you get, DB?
A chicken sandwich and then some fries.
Okay.
It's like honey or something.
What did you get?
Jerk chicken.
Oh, sorry.
What's your name? Sarah. All right, we're gonna sing happy birthday to Sarah. Thank you. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sarah.
Happy birthday to you.
You're taking over. Got a lot better when I heard your voice. I just follow a key. With pie. What is it? It's called a bun. I don't know. Which right?
Heading out, guys.
Like 9 of us, so like we just came to celebrate.
We are taking the cake.
You guys all look alike too.
Thank you. It's raining, y'all. Okay, y'all, I'm now leaving Bahama Breeze. I'm about to hop in the car. So